Hey everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is the homemade incubator I built a couple years ago. I have since added an automatic egg turner function. These are the latest chicks that hatch. They will replace the older hens we rely on for eggs. This incubator was extremely inexpensive compared to incubators of its size on the market, and it cost about $40 in all to build. I started out with 15 eggs, but a few of them did not develop embryos due to hairline fractures in the eggshells and other issues. Some of the chicks were fully developed but did not hatch because they had dry membrane. This happens when humidity is too low in the incubator. The last 3 days before the eggs are scheduled to hatch, they should no longer be turned, but also humidity should be raised. In my case, the humidity was not consistently high enough, which caused some of the chicks to get stuck in their shells. I noticed this too late. Unfortunately, these are things that you have to deal with and get better at. I ended up having to assist one of the chicks out of its shell because it was so dry. I did capture it on video for those who may be interested in the event they run into the same issue. This issue is not isolated to homemade incubators. Many people have a complaint about humidity issues with store-bought incubators as well. I will post a video of me assisting a chick with dry membrane out of its shell. Subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss that video. Thanks for watching.